Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about a company which is going to give us a huge returns in the future, which is at least 3 to 6 months of time. This recommendation is for a long term and a value investing. We are going to get a huge returns in the future, which is going to be 3 to 6 months of time when we invest in the stock right now at this point of time. This company is nothing but Bhansali Engineering Polymers Ltd. I have done a very detailed, thorough, fundamental as well as the technical analysis of this company. When it comes into the fundamental, the company has given a good quarterly results as well as the annual results and the net assets and the total liabilities, which are really good for this company, and the foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors are really having a good value and a good amount of investment into this company. And the main point over here is the technical analysis. When it comes to the technical analysis, the company is forming a cup and holder pattern, which is really a bullish pattern, which has already broke with a heavy volume with a green candle. This company is forming a cup and holder pattern for a longer period of time, where the holder was clearly broke with a heavy volume with a heavy green candle. So this means that this stock is going to go in a new higher zones, which is going to be at least 100 rupees from now. So this is the right point of time to enter into the stock. Let me explain you with the help of technical chart pattern, detail buyers and the seller psychology, and where we need to enter into the stock, what is the stop loss, and where we need to book the profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe the channel, like and comment, so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a video on breakout stocks or a value investing stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind. Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which I was referring is Bhansali Engineering Polymers. If you see the chart on my screen, you could able to clearly see that this stock has forming a cup and holder pattern for a long period of time, and the holder was broke with a heavy green candle with a heavy volume. This is one of the bullish flag pattern. This is one of the bullish pattern in the technical chart analysis. So if this means that this stock is going to give us a huge returns in the future, which is going to be at least 214 rupees. Currently, the stock is trading exactly at 121 rupees, and the best entry price for this stock is in between 106 to 108 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be 100 rupees, and the first target is going to be 212 rupees within 3 to 6 months of time. This is the best time to enter into the stock when the stock moves into 106 to 108 zone. Currently the stock is trading at 121 rupees. I am sure that this stock is going to retrace back a little bit in between 106 to 108 rupees. Then that's where the entry point which we need to make sure to enter and to book the profit at 212 rupees. Please make sure to keep this stock under your radar and enter at the right price and exit at the right price to gain more profits in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel to get a notification on the breakout stocks as well as the value investing stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.